All right, guys, still working on a little tunnel, but it's turning out pretty nice. Let me catch you up where we're at. So we drilled the hose, got one more cleco left in there. We got to tack it in on these holes, which I did. Now we're going to use basically SeamWeld as a seam sealer. Now think about where this thing is living. 700 horsepower, nasty Trimix 6-speed. It's going to be rattling this cage. So the last thing you want is to hear all that vibration, right? So that's why we went JB Weld SeamWeld. And it's really cool because it mixes in here on this little stick as you apply it. Right, it's gonna go down these tubes, mix in here, and then really I'm just gonna take it and try to shove it up underneath this lips and any gaps that I find in here if possible. And really it's gonna, tamper down that vibration and noise you're gonna hear when you're driving. Plus, obviously it's gonna protect against any, the elements getting in here. And it's just a great way to tie everything together to seal it up so you don't have any, water leaks or anything like that. So, okay, just kind of feeling on it. I think it's tacky enough we can go ahead and pull this tape. Now the reason I put tape above the seam and below the seam. When we put that sealer in there, right? Look, a nice clean line. And if you wait till it gets just a little tacky, you could actually hit it with a brush. And it looks a lot like that factory, sort of sealant did if you're looking around into jams and edges. There you go. This seam weld is actually really nice. Pulled off a little paint, but that's okay. We're gonna hit that paint again anyway. So if you're looking at sealing something up, check out JB Weld SeamWeld. Self mixes, really easy to apply. And man, you get a nice little seam like that. Now we're gonna do the same thing over on this side and button it up.